Introduction. Social science is an interdisciplinary field of study that seeks to explore aspects of human society. The fundamental roles of research in this field of study are not particularly hard to discern given the analytical approach it takes in its attempt to explore the aspects of human society. An umbrella term used to refer to a list of the field outside natural sciences such as anthropology, history, economics, geography, and political science. This field of study employs both qualitative and quantitative research methods as its fundamental means of achieving its objectives. The purpose of this reflective paper is to explore the roles of research and its relevant applications in the disciplines of social science. Roles of research. Research refers to the gathering of information. According to Dean, the more information we have, the closer we get to making our own decision. The research, therefore, is designed towards seeking solutions to problems that cannot be easily deduced without further insight into statistical data. Our abilities to make the right decisions regarding human behavior and our society, therefore, rest on the statistical data retrieved from research efforts. Most people who make decisions without gathering data from research indeed fail to provide adequate backup to support their decisions. Making the right judgments and decisions regarding human society demands not only the backup of appropriate data but also the correct analysis of the retrieved data from research. The fundamental tenets of social research cannot stand to fulfill the aims and objectives of this field without research. In support of the positive role of data in social sciences, Dean reiterates that social scientists interpret and analyze human behavior, generally using empirical methods of research. Though original data gathering and analysis are central to social sciences research, researchers also use library and internet resources to obtain raw data for model building or analysis, locate information about a particular model, theory, or methodology to be used in a research project, and review the literature to place new research in the context. Qualitative and quantitative research methods in social sciences. This reinforces the fact that social research cannot exist without the critical role of research. In addition to the above, the relevance of research in social sciences rests on the premise that social sciences largely depend on measurements, analysis, and the eventual interpretation of both numerical and non-numerical data. Quantitative research methods focus on statistical approaches and qualitative methods are based on content analysis, comparative analysis, grounded theory, and interpretation. These have been proven to form the core tenets of social sciences such as the collection of data in polls, questionnaires, and surveys and in qualitative researches that aim at understanding the social phenomena. Qualitative research in social sciences is always carried out in the form of live interviews and commentaries that are also aimed at understanding human social phenomena. According to Strauss, the applications of research methods could be studied in the context of business and management or in social psychology to understand a social process, in that some of the basic tools for qualitative or quantitative research are related to data collection methods, which can be case studies, questionnaires, or interviews. This is because the effects of leadership are best studied by the application of both qualitative and quantitative research, because the data involved in such cases are best received through the responses of questionnaires from participants in management positions. This fact is buttressed by Simon in stating that the methodological approach and data collection techniques are important in research and form an important aspect of study, while the case study approach is especially useful in the analysis of business environments and perceptual mapping techniques are used for marketing research. Evaluation of research in social sciences. Whereas research plays a critical role in the overall study of social sciences and forms the major tenet on which the validity and accuracy of judgments and deductions in this field of study rest, it must, however, be noted that improper applications of some research methods within this interdisciplinary field may give rise to negative results. Social research studies transcend at all levels of society regarding age, physical exercise, gender, and all forms of human social aspects. The sensitivity in handling the social aspects of human beings must be upheld in the course of research to avoid flaws in applied methods. This critical analysis of the application of both qualitative and quantitative research methods in social sciences is echoed by Simon in stating that some disadvantages and possible flaws of such methods may be related to abuse or misuse of interview techniques, the inadequacy of data collection methods and reliability of data. This is based on the fact that methodological approach and data collection procedures form the most fundamental aspect of research procedures and cannot be undermined. The methodological approach and data collection techniques are important in research and form an important aspect of the study. The case study approach is the best research method in the business environment and perceptual mapping techniques, especially in the field of marketing. However, it is surrounded by several shortfalls because the events that surround such case reports cannot be taken to be universal. In addition to the above, every business environment presents different challenges based on time and market characteristics which in most cases are unique. This, therefore, calls for the application of focus groups and surveys which, according to Strauss, are used as other preferred methods of data collection, especially within business environments. Interpretive research, which is a form and aspect of qualitative analysis, is also very relevant in the analysis of human social aspects. Just as in the qualitative data, it has compounded the problem of subjective bias which limits its application in several very sensitive research topics. Conclusion. The above discussions reinforce the role and importance of various forms of research methods in the field of social sciences. Whereas social science as an interdisciplinary field of study that encompasses several broad subjects cannot exist without the role of research, the understanding of human social aspects of life involves sensitive matters that demand appropriate research techniques. The accuracy, validity, and sensitivity in the course of social research must therefore form the foundations under which all types of research on human social aspects are based. It must therefore be understood that while social science as a broad discipline rests on research methods, not all research methods are suitable for social science. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out.